Good afternoon. We're back with you here. This is number 14 video on John Deere 111 pre-190,000 series of the little mower garden tractor. So upon discovery, we're still discovering things as we clean parts up and get them, refurbished and recoated with some kind of coating. So what we've come across is on the control tower here is that that's oblong, or well, not oblong, but it's oversized hole here. So they hacked out this hole here to accommodate a different kind of switch. Probably all they had on hand, okay? So they got 3 prongs on it, and I'm sure it probably worked. But now that the hole is oversized, and we would like to be going back in with the original John Deere switch. And now you can buy them from stands here, and that's where you can get them. They're like $17 or so. So your outside diameter of your John Deere switch here is 5/8 diameter. So we've got a hole here 3/4 inch in diameter. So that is just not going to be working for us. So we got to get this going back to the way it should be, and we're going to show you how to do it. So anyway, we'll start off. You would start off with a 1-inch outside diameter washer, 1/2 inch inside diameter, because you want 5/8 to go through it. And you would take a few rat tail files to make this happen. Also, these notches here, which index into your genuine John Deere switch here, you want to cut that out first. Now that's 3 32nds wide nominally. All right, you want to cut that out first with a hacksaw blade. Mark it off. See how you can mark it off with the yellow. We've got this part marked off with yellow. So mark it off, and ideally you would use a 32 teeth per inch hacksaw blade to get through here and cut your little retaining notch, indexing notch. So we've got this all done here, and what we'll do a little bit of final fitting here, but what you want to do is make sure you have this indexed to where okay, let's put the key in here. Okay, well, now with your key vertical, this would index right here, horizontally to your left with the little yellow mark. We've already put it in there for you, and let's see, yeah, here's how that would index in. So with your key vertical, that's off, then on, then start, and back to on, and then off. And that's the way it should be. So when you run into something like this, run across something like this, this is the way that you would be wanting to fix it. Because You know, you want to have it right whenever you're restoring, and well, you just want to have it correct, okay? You know, and so what we'll do, our next step here is we'll press this in, and we'll take this magnet and put it on the outside part of this. And then we'll take our little wire feed welder and you like spot weld it every 90 degrees, like 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or more. And then we'll fill that in, and you'll never know that it was ever that way. So you run across this kind of stuff, why that's the way to fix it. We're still working on the fender pan here, getting it just right. We do have another one of these on the way, because this control panel here, which is kryptonite, is we got some cracks here, and we're getting another one of these on the way. But in case it doesn't happen, why we'll have this one ready to go, and we could probably take this out like with a heat gun. Like it's like Kydex, and you know, people make holsters and knife shields out of Kydex with a heat gun. So I'm thinking that if we cannot get another one of these, that's our resort. Here's how they're put on, apparently from the factory, double-sided tape. So part numbers here, but there's you know, subsequent part numbers for this particular one. So also I really don't want to take this serial number tag off. However, they are a spiral rivet, which they're pressed in, and therefore with a little lubricant you could probably press them back out and reuse them again. And we'll probably take this off, yeah, get it all cleaned up. It's got overspray on it. This whole thing is like they painted it and went to mowing, or they never cleaned the grass off of it and then they painted over the grass. So it's in good shape otherwise. There's a little bit of rust here, but that's pretty normal for being 40 years old. So now you know how to do this. If you ever run across something like this and you want to get it back to original and you can't find another, well, this would be the way to be doing it. And rat tail file, a 32 teeth per inch hacksaw blade, and you know, a quarter file, a tri-file, and you're going to have it. That's it for today. We'll see you on our next video, and bye-bye.